Good afternoon, everybody. This is Crystal with Crystal's Creations Wyckoff. How are you guys all doing? Good, I hope. I wanted to let you guys know I will be doing a drawing tomorrow for the Handmade Happiness video. Tomorrow I'm also going to be making envelopes for all of the winners from my birthday thing, so I can get ready to come November 1st, I can get ready to send out all of your packages that you guys won on my birthday bash and everything else that has been winning. Okay, I will get that done. I'm just a little slow. Also, I am working on another project, so this is going to be a real short video. Yesterday I was Zooming with some of our groupie friends on Zoom, and I am working on a TV, the retro TV. Do you see this? Look at that. Isn't that cute? You're like, what is she doing? So if you take this, I got that little, let me show you. So I took this die. So instead of using this and this together, I just did this whole piece, okay? I scored it down the middle and I taped them on the back side, okay? So I will probably end up, I don't know, covering those. I don't know, I should have covered those and made them look pretty. But I'm trying to make a retro TV photo album. I'm inventing a retro TV photo album. So when you go like this, it actually folds up. So I need to make my folds maybe a little bit smaller. I don't know, but look, it all folds up. Okay. I don't know, I might make it longer. I'm not sure. A little bit longer, but I'm going to try and make it for all the kids in my family. Maybe they'll appreciate something different this year. I don't know, something fun for them. You know, something different this year. And then for the adults, they're going to get the bowls, I think. Some vintage bowls, of course, for Christmas. Maybe different themes. I don't know yet, so we shall see, or whatever. I don't know, but I kind of like, I don't know. So I'm working on it, and when I get it finished, I will show you. And if you want to learn how to make it, I will teach you how to make these too. But it's going, and then I will also do that other TV, like I said, with the pocket in the front where you can insert different movie themes too. That's a work in progress. But the only thing is, I have to get a Spellbinders Halloween stamp set or die set, and I had ordered the Ikaboo die set, and apparently they were all sold out. But when I had ordered it, it wasn't sold out. But for some reason, apparently, all of a sudden it sold out. I don't know what happened, but I didn't get it because that was one of the items that I didn't get when they mailed it to me. So I don't know. Mass miscommunication issues between order process or something. I don't know. So, but it's all good. I can order a different Halloween set next month or whatever. So, but that's my goal. So, just so you know. But I'm just showing you, you can do different things with the retro TV. And then also Spellbinders is having another sale. So I will put that down below in the description box. Yeah, another sale. And yeah, so I'll put the link down there. So I just thought I'd let you know. And then also, you guys, we went to the Weston Air Horse Show. And oh my goodness, that was flipping awesome. If you've never been to the Weston Air Horse Show, go. Just go. You'll enjoy it. It was so fun. I recorded lots of videos, and I have some uploading on my Facebook page. Still uploading. And they were just short segment videos. I will maybe see if I can get some to upload on YouTube, on my YouTube channel, so you guys can watch them too. But I do have them going on my YouTube page or my Facebook page. But yeah, you guys, it was epic. The only part that kind of freaked me out a little bit, because it was indoors in a big arena, was the shooting of their fire guns and the cannon going off. That was the only thing that kind of freaked me out. But other than that, it was great. There was a lot of veterans there, because they gave out a lot of free tickets to vettix. And I don't know if you guys have a lot of spouses that know about vettix, that were in the military, but sign up with vettix if you're a veteran, please, because you can go to any kind of concert, any kind of venue like this, like Weston Air horse shows. You can go to anything for like, we went to the Western Air horse show today for like less than $10 for two of us. It was only $5 for my husband and I. And you can go to a concert. Like my husband and I went to the Bon Jovi concert a few years ago before the pandemic, and it was again less than $10. So if you're a veteran and you're seeing this, or if you have a husband or a wife that's a veteran, get them to sign up through vettix, because you can get reduced prices to go do these things. If you don't have a lot of money, sign up. So that's what I'm just saying. Sign up. I mean, what do you have to lose? That's how we do these things. We don't have a lot of money either, and that's how we enjoy going to concerts and other venues like the horse show that we just went to today. And we can do it for a whole lot cheaper thanks to this thing called vettix for veterans. I mean, sign up. If you're a veteran and you fought for our freedom, sign up on vettix. So I'm just letting you know. Sign up. So there you go. Talk to you later all. Bye. Love you.